We'll guide you through how to make glitch effect in Wondershare Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create a trendy glitch effect that adds a modern, digital distortion style to videos, making their content more eye-catching, dynamic, and suitable for social media or creative projects. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the editing process without any interruptions or missing features. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen properly. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing your video. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings before starting the editing process. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings. Next, click Import. Select the video you want to use, then click Open to add the file into the Media Library panel. Drag and drop the imported video into the timeline section so you can start editing it directly. Then, select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch problems during editing. Next, adjust the video duration in the timeline to fit your desired length for the final result. Then, adjust the size in the preview window so the video fits properly within the frame and looks balanced. After that, click the Effects menu on top to access various visual effects available in the software. Click the search column, type Glitch Effect 1, then press Enter to quickly find the specific effect. After the results appear, select Glitch Effect 1 from the available options in the Effects library. Then, drag and drop the effect onto the video in the timeline to apply it instantly. Next, open the Effects panel on the right side to access the detailed settings for the selected effect. Adjust the speed value setting, for example set it to 30, to control how fast the glitch animation appears on the video. After that, click the full screen icon button now to view the project more clearly without distractions. Preview the result carefully, and the glitch effect in Wondershare Filmora is successfully created.